Ah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you ready to do some low cutting? Oh! Okay, so here we are in the sequencer again, and as usual, I'm starting off with the kick. I'm filtering out 20 Hz. The change is subtle, but it's there. The next instrument is the hi-hat, and as you can see and hear, when I turn the knob all the way to 500 Hz, there's no change in sound. So that means it's safe to take everything out under the 500 Hz. You would think that the same rules apply to the crash, but as you can see and hear, no, 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 no. And this is what I'm listening for. When the sound is getting too thin, I know I went too far, so I'm turning it back a little until I get the fullness back from the sound. Even with the sub bass, it's always good to check if you can take out a little bit of the low frequencies. In the end, it will help with the clarity. Can you see in the equalizer how the sub bass is getting a better roll off from the 20 Hz and lower? It will really make a difference in the long run. Also with this sub bass, I'm managing to take out 10 decibels from the 20 Hz and lower. At this moment I'm still checking how I want the sound to sound. So I'm taking my time to get it just right. This is the perfect example of why I'm doing this. Just look at the equalizer. Okay, so that's it for low cutting. The rest is just rinse and repeat. Remember?
Wax on, wax off.
If you want to see the rest, let me know in the comments. And if not, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!